Hey everyone, it's Nati. Welcome back. I'm sorry I look a mess. I just worked out, so yeah, I need to take a shower and everything. But I wanted to do my Project 7 pan update. And let's just start by saying that this has been a complete fail. And this is why I don't do project pans, because something always happens. So let's start by good updates, and then we'll talk about just the craptastic ones. So the first one was the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Stick. I have been enjoying this one. I put it down as a base, and I have been using this quite a bit, and I'll show you the update on that. So we started off, so this is the baseline right here where it says baseline. So we started off down here in the black line, and now we're up to that red line. So it would be if I put the product up here. That's where it's at. So I've used quite a bit of that product. I think I can probably use that up. It has been pretty easy. The other couple things I had were some eyeshadows. So from my Naked palette, I had the shade Virgin, and you can actually see quite a dip in there. I'm hoping to hit pan. I've been using this as a brow bone highlight, inner corner highlight, and then as a face highlight, and that's helped me to get some more of that product done. So that one has been an exciting one, and I think I can hit pan and probably use that up. Then the other one, this one has been kind of a pain, but it's the shade Lux from the ColourPop Stone Cold Fox, but it's this cream shade right here. You can see I do have a dip going, and it's a pretty big dip, but these shadows are so hard pressed, the ColourPop shadows, so it's taking quite a while to hit pan on there, so we'll see if we can do it. But those are the good things. Now on to the not so good. So I had added this sample size Dior red lipstick. It's the 999, so it's their classic red. Was doing well. And then this happened. It's stuck in the lid. I don't know if you can see it, but the lipstick is stuck up there and I can't get it out, and it's messy and it's a disaster. So I switched this out for a different red lipstick, thinking, oh, I'll just pan a different one. Well, that one broke too. So I give up on the red lipstick. I will be replacing that with something else. I'm actually going to replace the red lipstick and we'll get to it in a little bit, but lipstick has been challenging. So I'm going to replace it with my Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. I have not done much of a dip in this at all. So I think this is a good one to work on. It smells delicious. It makes me think of summer. And the other thing is there isn't that much in there, see? So there's not that much in there, so I think I can probably pan this. So I'm going to replace that lipstick with this. Ooh, I forgot a product. Hold on one second. All right, so this one I am just noticing I completely forgot to mark down a baseline, but I've sharpened this a few times. And this is the NYX Wonder Pencil. It looks like this. I will be honest, I think I'm just going to throw this out. It is so old, and whenever I put it on my waterline, my eyes itch. So I don't think I'm going to keep using this. So I'm going to throw this one out. Sorry. And I'm going to replace it with this blush. And this is the Flower Pots Powder Blush in Sweet Pea. And it's pretty new. So I think I'm just going to replace it with this. If I can hit pan, great. If I can use it up, even better. And then the last two things I have, you're obviously not going to see much of a change in these. But these are the other lipsticks. I had the Matte Royal from MAC. And this is a blue one. And I've used it 4 times. And my goal is to hit 7 uses. So I got to keep working on that one. And then the Reina Rebelde en Moreton. This is a purple one. Obviously can't see much use, but I've also used this 4 times. And my goal is 7. So I'm going to keep on using these products, including the 2 new ones that I just added, and we will see what we can do. So anyways, thanks for checking out this update. I should have a pan those eyeshadows update soon. I'll be honest, preview, there isn't much progress there, but I will record a video just so you can see where I'm at. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.